Hello, in this video, we will demonstrate our project Smart Curtain. Our project or device uses an Arduino Uno as a main microcontroller, and it has a Wi-Fi module ESP01S to connect it to the internet and upload the data from the light sensor and temperature sensor to Blink Cloud. By also using Blink, we can control the curtain's movement when it is in manual mode. But when in auto mode, it will close or open based on the light value. Since in this project we are using an ESP8266 as a Wi-Fi module, we have to import the module in the Arduino code and upload it in our device. And we also have to import the Blink library so that it can communicate and send data to Blink Cloud. So after we have included both libraries, we have to define the Wi-Fi SSID and the password of the Wi-Fi so that the device can connect to the Wi-Fi. After that, we have to set the baud rate so that the ESP communication speed matches the Arduino serial speed, and then we can use the Blink virtual write to send data to Blink Cloud. So in our project, we send the temperature to pin virtual 6 and light to pin virtual 7. So for this part of the code, it reads the button value of V1, which is to control the curtain mode, 1 for manual and 0 for auto. So when we change the value of the button, the curtain mode value will also change. So in V2 is when we use manual mode for the curtain. When it reads the button value of the virtual pin 2, and it writes on the curtain status variable. So here we begin the ESP module, and here we begin the Blink with our Blink auth token, Wi-Fi, SSID, and password. So we run Blink in our void loop. Since we are storing the data from the sensors in Blink Cloud, we made a few virtual pins to store those data. We have two sensors, which is the DHT to read the surrounding temperature and the LDR to read the light level. So we have to make two pins. So for the temperature, we assign V6 as the temperature pin. The data type is double since the temperature can have points, and we also set the units as Celsius. So the maximum temperature or the hottest temperature that it can have is 40. So for light level, we put integer so that it doesn't have decimals, and we assign the pin virtual 7 to store the light level values, and the maximum value for the light level is 1000. And to control the curtain mode, we assign virtual pin 1, and to control the curtain, which is open or close, we assign virtual pin 2. Both of these pins can either be 1 or 0, which is either close or open. So we made an interface on the Blink app So we have two buttons to control the curtain. This is for the curtain mode, so either auto or manual. So when it's on manual mode, we can turn it on or off. So in auto, it opens or closes based on the light value. So here, it displays the light value from 0 to the maximum value earlier, which is 1000, and here is it shows the temperature. So as you can see, here we can see the light level right now is 905 and the temperature is 29.8, and the blind is currently up because in the code when the temperature is lower than 30 it's supposed to go up. So now let's try the manual. See, as you can see, it closes when I hit on, and off it opens again. So when we go back to auto, it should stay open because there is not much light here. So let's try it when there is light. Okay, when it's too bright, it closes, as you can see. Okay, so after I remove my flashlight, it opens back. So that's how our curtains work. So for the blinds, here we can see the temperature. So since the temperature is high, it's currently closed. So I will use a cooler to cool down the area around the sensor. Okay, as you can see, the temperature is 29.8, which is below 30, and our blinds is going up. So I will try to heat up the sensor so it goes back down. So now, as you can see, it goes back down because the temperature is above 30. So that's for the blinds. So that is all for our project Smart Curtain. Thank you.